What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be having more install videos, but this time it's on my Honda S2000. So recently, well, not so recent anymore, but a little while back we had a Black Friday sale, and you guys know I love my titanium goodies. Once a year Chasing J's does have a sale, so managed to cop some stuff for Black Friday. If you guys didn't know, Chasing J's makes great titanium products, and I do have them on my Mitsubishi Lancer show build. So I decided to spoil my S2000, get some nice goodies for the engine bay. So what we have here, this is a nice little cover that goes where the, I think it's where the coil pack are. These right here goes on the radiator, and then you have this piece is two separate pieces, but that's the battery stay bracket, I guess you could call it. So yeah, very nice Chasing J's titanium. And no, these aren't, you know, just burned like that. They are actual titanium that are nice and burnt. If you don't like this color burn gradient, you can also get it in the, they call it the ghost finish, which is just this raw titanium material. You can get it. But yeah, Chasing J's stuff, always very high quality, very nice. So very excited to throw them on the S2000. Alright, so we have the S2000 hoods popped. We're gonna go ahead and replace these radiator brackets first. So pretty easy to do. All you're gonna do is take this off. I have this little nice bolt, Allen key. Take this off, this should be loose. And that will be replaced with these really nice titanium parts. Has the Chasing J's engraving, will go right here. Also provided a little washer and bolt, which will go right here as well. So should be very nice and easy install. So pretty much remove the little radiator brackets. These little rubber stuff do have to come out, so it just pops right off. As you guys can tell, this is meant for the S2000. So you're gonna do the same thing. Gonna pop this little guy in here, pop it in, and they also provided these nice titanium hardware bolts, so we're gonna go ahead and throw it on. And we just have the radiator brackets put on. They look so good. It's a nice little Chasing J's logo with the bolt as well as the washer. Nice little touch. I really like this color gradient. So what we're gonna throw on next, let's go ahead and throw on this piece right here. So what this does is it replaces this big black piece over here. So I'm going to remove that, throw this on. Okay, so for this black piece, I don't see any bolts, should come off pretty easily. I think they just hold on by little clips. So you just pop and the piece comes right off. Pretty easy to remove. As you guys can tell, these has little ball joints like that to hold it in place. This pops right off. And that covers the fuel rail and intake manifold. So this is the OEM piece. And check this out. This is how the Chasing J's piece looks beside it. It looks so much nicer. And besides this nice titanium piece, they also provided more titanium hardware, so some bolts as well as washers. So yeah, since this piece doesn't have these little guys, we'll be using bolts and washers to hold it in place. Okay, so they provided some of these little hardware. So what you want to do is you want to grab this piece right here. You're going to go ahead and shove it in these holes. There's one hole here, two holes, shove it in. And the reason why you're doing that is because you're going to go ahead and put it like so. Line it up, and then through this hole you're going to go ahead and put the nice titanium washer and bolt through it. And bam, just like that, we have this nice Chasing J's titanium piece in, covering the fuel rail. So nice. I know it might not be too obvious to some, but it's all in the little details. Check out that gradient, looks really good. So the final and last titanium piece that we have to install for today on the Honda S2000 are the battery tie down bracket. So here we have the OEM one. It's pretty crusty looking. Honestly, this is the first thing I wanted to replace. Check this out. Oh, crusty, rusted looking. So let's go ahead and get that replaced. Okay, so all we're gonna use to remove this little battery tie down is a 10mm wrench. So one 10mm bolt here, one here. This piece comes off, and then there's two brackets, two hangers. Should look just like this. So yeah, pretty excited to get it on. Alright, so we removed this crusty looking bracket. The new one, old one, looks so much better. Also, you want to go ahead and remove this little battery tie down. So, just like so, comes right off. Other side, gonna fish for it. Alright, side by side comparison. Old versus new. Old versus new. Gonna look so much better. Also nice that they throw in two little titanium bolts, just so everything will look real nice. So battery is in. Just gotta go ahead and use my 10mm wrench and tighten it, and we should be all good to go. And there we have it. We have the battery bracket all in. Looks really nice. Nice little Chasing J's engraving. So we have that done. We have the radiator brackets done on both sides. We also have this piece right here by the fuel rail done. So what do you guys think? You guys loving the small little titanium upgrades on the S2000? hope you guys like this simple DIY install of the Chasing J titanium goodies. If any of you guys want titanium goodies, I would suggest you head to Chasing J's website or Instagram page. They make a bunch of titanium goodies from different cars. And yeah, like I said, my Mitsubishi Lancer show build has them. Now the S2000 has some nice titanium goodies as well. And I think it definitely ties in real nice with the theme. I guess the first titanium part we had in the engine bay was the ASM strut bar, really nice. But yeah, nice little stuff. Eventually I'll probably swap out more of the little hardware to titanium bolts just so it ties in real nice. So hope you guys are liking the progress on the S2000. Also, if you guys missed it, we did install this ballistic coil pack cover, very nice as well, supporting one of the local Texas creators here. You guys can get it from Ballistic. They have a bunch of cool stuff coming out, so make sure to stay tuned. And this one was 1 of 100, so really cool. I got number 88. So you guys Asians might know that number 8 is good luck in a lot of Asian cultures, so I'm glad I was able to get serial number 88. Alright, and if you guys stayed to the very end, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. We have a bunch more plans coming for the different builds on the channel as 2022 comes to an end. I'll probably talk about 2023 soon since the New Year's coming, what plans I have for each and every car. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.